what's up, y'all? Your boy Dump Truck here at TC Bros. And today I've got some help from Mr. Tim Cobb, the other bro of TC. And we are going to show you how to install a front wheel on a standard Moto iron Springer front end. Now this is also applicable to the vintage line, but not for the wishbone Springer. That's going to be a different video. So let's get right into it. In the kit is everything that you need hardware-wise. All of your washers, all of your races, all of your bolts, your brake caliper, obviously the Springer front end itself, the wheel and rotor. You're going to have to add that to your order on the way out of the cart. Inside you're also going to find this exploded view. Some people love these to install and some people don't, which is the point of this video. We're going to go step by step, show you exactly how to install this and which race and which washer goes where. First thing you're going to want to do is separate your wheel components and your brake components. So your wheel components are going to be your axle, your nuts, and these two spacers. Let's go ahead and dress the wheel out. You take the large, long, flat spacer. It's going to go looking at the Springer to the left side. Now we take the shorter, flat spacer and put it on the brake rotor side. Before we move any further, we're going to go ahead and preload this caliper bracket so it's easy to drop in. We're going to start with a shouldered spacer and another shouldered spacer, just like that. Flat side on top. Then you're going to take a thrust washer and we'll slide this into the caliper bracket. Then we add another brass thrust washer and that final spacer. Now everything is together. With the help of a friend, you go ahead and grab your wheel and we'll start to slide the axle through. Then you add the final axle nut. All right, now we're going to bolt the linkage to the caliper bracket with the supplied Allen head and nylon locker. No need for thread locking. If you look on the inside of the left leg, move that cap. This one will need thread lock. All right, so now that we have everything assembled loosely, we're going to go ahead and remove this other axle nut we started with so that we can check the center. What you're looking for are equal threads on either side. Once you confirm that, grab your thread locker, put a bead on this side of the axle, put a bead on this side of the axle, and we're going to hand tighten each axle nut. Once you're to that point, you're going to go ahead and grab a 1-inch socket. Set your torque wrench to 60 foot-pounds. That's 60. Now we're going to grab a 9/16 combination wrench and a 5/16 Allen to secure the linkage that's connected to our brake caliper bracket. It is a nylon lock washer, so we do not need thread locker. Now, since we pre-assembled our brake caliper and brake caliper bracket, make sure you have thread locker in these two Allen head bolts here. If you did not put thread locker on them, this is a good time to back it out, drop the thread locker, and put it back in. Do not skip thread locking these bolts. All right, one more bolt left. We've got the Allen head inside the fork leg. All right, now for the final test, you want to give her a spin. Make sure there's no binding, you don't hear any grinding, everything is free, everything is beautiful, and you are ready to roll. Well, maybe with a tire, you're ready to roll. Now, if you have any questions on the install when it comes time for you to do it, just hit the contact page at tcbros.com.